sitting in the bathroom. I got a great email from Amanda in Chattanooga, and she said, "Hey Hooray, I love all your fun party tips, but I get anxiety about prepping my house for a party. What do you do to get ready?" So Amanda and everybody out there, one of the things that a lot of people forget about is the bathroom. It is super important to have that bathroom nice and clean because everybody at your party is going to see that room at some point. I think also a couple of tips I would do is have lit candles as long as you don't have kids over. Have some pretty lit candles somewhere. It does help keep the room smelling nice and fresh. Also, I have some really pretty nice room spray, and I like to have it discreetly placed where it isn't like in the guest's face. You don't want to have like a bottle of Glade sitting on the back of the toilet. That's kind of icky. So have those things to help keep the bathroom smelling nice and fresh. Also, I think you're going to be shocked at how much toilet paper you go through. We go through tons of toilet paper at parties. It is insane. What I like to do is have a stack beside the toilet, just kind of stack it up on each other. Don't have it on the side where your guests are walking in. Have it on the opposite side of the toilet so it isn't the first thing they see when they walk in the door. You don't want people rummaging through your cabinets, so that's a great solution. Also, be sure to have a clean trash can. Make sure it's empty. Make sure you have a plastic baggie on it so that after the party you can just tie it up and toss it out. I also want to encourage you to have some pretty nice, fancy smelling soap for your guests. And of course, have a cute towel. I love this towel. This is from my friend Julie. I think it's adorable. Make sure that you have towels out that don't have like big stains on them. If they need to be pressed, press them. I hate ironing, and I did iron this towel actually. I think that between all of those things, you are going to have a successful party, Amanda. Have folks over. Encourage them to go to the bathroom. I hope that this has been helpful for you all. And if you have any party questions, I would love to hear from you. Send me an email at sipsuperray.blog@gmail.com, and maybe your question is going to be the next one that we talk about. Thanks, guys.